Welcome to the in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to turn on the always on display option. Now you have to unlock your device and just go to the settings. Here you will see the appearance section. Now just go here and tap to the ambient display, always on display section. Now just here tap to when to show the ambient display, and here just from the always on switch it to the off. And now we'll check. Yes, as can you see, our always on display function is turned off. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.